how to find notifications settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notifications settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings, and here we'll find this one, notifications. Click on it and here you can manage, as you see here, you can manage notifications settings, and that's it. It's easy, manage here anything you want and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.